loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. My name's Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of fashion and lifestyle videos, mostly fashion. Today's video is in collaboration with Shein, and thank you Shein for collaborating with me on another video. If you use this coupon code, it will help save some money at checkout for you. Everything I'm going to show you will be listed down below in my description box, so you can go ahead and shop these items. Also, my sizing will be next to it, so you can use that as a reference if you want. And as per usual, this will be a Shein Curve try-on haul. The very first item I want to show you guys is this dress. I did show this dress over on Instagram, so please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pretty please. So yeah, I did show this dress over there. You guys love this dress. I love this dress. This is my favorite piece from the haul. I know it's winter time, but you can never be shopping too early for the springtime because this is the cutest dress. I love it. I don't see anything through it. I did have on a pair of Spanx with it. I will also link the Spanx down below for you guys. This dress is just beautiful. Like the color, the pattern, it's very flattering. I love the material. It's nice and stretchy. It has a nice thin but thick material to it, so somewhere in the middle. I just love everything about it. The straps are adjustable. I did also have on a sticky bra with it, so I will also link that bra down below for you guys because I should have worn that bra with a few other tops that I have to show you in this video. I did film the clips at separate times. That's why I did not have on that bra, as you will see as the video goes on. But for this portion that I did film, I did have that bra on, and it is a must-have. It'll definitely make the outfit look so much cuter. So this is a cutout dress. The back is open and it does have a slit at the side, so I like that the slit is not super high because you're already like revealing a lot on top, so keeping it very minimal at the bottom was definitely helpful. I love this dress. I cannot recommend it enough. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, curve sizes and regular sizes as well. You definitely need this dress. I love it. So sticking with the floral theme, we have this beautiful two-piece set, which again is another flattering print. To me, it definitely feels like it slims you out a bit. The material is very similar to the dress that I just showed you. It's stretchy. It's not super thin, not super thick, somewhere in the middle. This is a two-piece set, so you get the little tube top here, and then you get the midi length skirt as well. And I do like that the skirt is a midi length. I definitely prefer a midi length skirt over anything like above the knee. That's just my preference. I prefer that. So I love the way this looks. This one doesn't have any slits or anything like that, but it is just the cutest two-piece set. You can easily layer a duster over these pieces or a denim jacket once it starts warming up, and you can wear it in the springtime. It is just so cute. Definitely grab it now. It's priced so well. Next up, we have another two-piece set, but this one was a little bit too revealing for my taste, more than I realized. I definitely should have tried it on with the sticky bra. That's what I was talking about, because it is very low cut. This definitely reminds me of like a vacation, like you're in the Bahamas type of outfit. You can definitely wear this over like a swimsuit. If you're planning on wearing this as like a going out outfit, you definitely need to layer something underneath because it is a little bit see-through. But that's why I say this is more of like a vacation outfit. I mean, look how cute that is. It is really cute. Like, it does look really cute on. You just have to be careful what undergarments you're wearing. And I do like this little string detail here, like the way it cuts up like that. It is so cute. So if you're looking for a cute little outfit, like a cute little vacation outfit, this one is perfect because people are going on vacation right now. So if you're going somewhere very tropical and warm soon, you definitely want to get this one because it's a showstopper. So next up, we have this beautiful bright orange dress. The material is stretchy. It does feel really nice. I did not see anything through it as well. So this one is a little bit more modest. However, this part was just a little bit too big for me. You definitely need to wear a sticky bra with it as well. And I love this little keyhole cutout. It is so beautiful. This dress does fit me a little bit big. I definitely should have sized down one size for a more tight fit because I feel like if it fit a little bit tighter, it would look a little bit nicer, and then this part wouldn't be so big. Or you can actually just wear some boob tape with it, but just be careful, your bra will show through here. If you don't want that look, then definitely go for the boob tape, the sticky bra. If you don't care, then go ahead and wear it however you like. I do like the texture on it because I feel like it does conceal, you know, like any little bumps on my body. So I do like that little detail there. Again, I did have Spanx underneath this, so maybe that's why I didn't see anything through it. But typically when I'm wearing like a tight dress like this, I do always wear Spanx Spanx underneath just because I feel more comfortable that way. I like the fact that this goes down past my knees as well, so I like the length on it. So again, sexy on top, modest on bottom. Next up, I have a few tops for you guys. So this top I absolutely love. I think it is beautiful. It's modest but sexy at the same time. This part can be adjusted so you can make it as open as you want, as tight as you want. It really just depends on your preference and taste. It just fits beautifully. The material is nice and lightweight. Also, I like the fact that the sleeve has like a little slit there. I think that is so adorable and so cute. As you can tell, I love the floral prints, and I'm getting ready for spring. There was a snowstorm yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, and I'm over here trying on spring clothes because, I don't know, I'm excited for spring this year, and I just love the pattern. I love the way this one sits on your body. Anything high-waisted with this is going to look really cute. You can wear the sticky bra with this. You can wear a regular bra with this. This is in a size 0XL. If you want it to be where this whole thing is closed and you don't have to worry about it opening up, definitely size up so your bust area can fit. But I love this one. I think it's so cute. Definitely don't have anything like this, so I was excited to get this one. You may have seen this top already in another video. I did wear it while filming a video, and it is just the most beautiful top. The color is beautiful. The material is more on the medium side, so this is perfect for even right now if it gets a little bit cold. Just layer a jacket over it. It does have a zipper in the back if you need help getting in and out of it, but I didn't have that issue. I just pulled it over, and I do like the little cuffed sleeve right there. I think it is very, very cute. I just love everything about it. I think the color is beautiful. I love the little bust detail there. The back is really nice. Everything about this top just screams pretty and feminine, and I like the fact that it has this little like triangle detail down there. I think that is so, so cute. So if you're looking for a cute spring top that you can still wear right now in the winter time, this is a great option. This top is giving me grown and sexy feels. I love the print on this one. I think it is so pretty and unique and different. I absolutely love the way this looks. It looks like a work of art. This part here, all the black detailing here is like a velvet material, and this part here is sheer. So just wear a nude bra underneath, or if you're uncomfortable with that, you can wear a nude tank underneath as well. It is beautiful. I love this top. I definitely feel like this is a statement top. I feel like this is one of those tops that you need to like slick your hair back and wear this top because you need it to stand out. Honestly, it is so beautiful. I love this top. Highly, highly recommend it. To me, this looks way more expensive than it is. I don't know about you, but I feel like I paid like 50 bucks for this when it's nowhere near that price, not even close. So if you're looking for a different, unique top, if you're looking for a really nice date night top, this is perfect. Girls night top, this beautiful. Next up is this off the shoulder bodysuit. It is so pretty. I love the balloon sleeve. So if you like off the shoulder tops, this one is perfect. I don't always snap my bodysuits in. Sometimes I just wear them as a top, which is the case for this one. I just had it tucked into the jeans. And again, I should have worn a sticky bra with this one because it does have like a little cutout detail here, which is so pretty. And I actually really like the way the cutout is placed. I think it's placed really nicely. It's at a flattering angle, I guess I want to say. It's not too high, not too low, just like right in the middle, the midsection. So I do really like this. I love a good balloon sleeve, and of course the color got me. Beautiful. It kind of looks like a little corset top as well. So this one is really, really cute. I highly recommend it. Definitely try it out with the sticky bra though. A strapless bra might show through. Well, mine did at least. Now, if you're looking for a good old comfy sweatshirt, I definitely recommend this one. It has the moon and the sun on it, and I just love the print. I love the color block, and it does continue on the back as well. This is in a 1XL. It is just comfortable. It's soft. I just love sweatshirts like this. They're just easy to throw on with a pair of jeans or joggers and head out the door. So I definitely recommend it. I love the print. Anything with like the sun, the moon on it, I'm just naturally drawn to. So I just love everything about it. It's just so cute. I cannot wait to wear this one. I love it. If you're looking for a cute flannel shirt, this one definitely is it. I love the way it looks. This is in a size, what size is this? A 1XL, so you can wear it as a shirt, you can button it up, you can wear it open, pretty much any way you like. I definitely more picture this with some faux leather leggings than jeans that I had on in the try-on clip. I think this with faux leather leggings would look a lot better, and like a black tank or something like that. But for the clip, I just threw it on to show you guys what it looks like. You can button it up, like I said, you can leave it open, you can tie it into a little knot if you want, you can half tuck it, front tuck it. There's so many options to shirts like this. It does have black buttons, so they're kind of hard to see, which is a good thing. It kind of blends in seamlessly to the shirt. I just love all of the contrasting details. I did roll the sleeve up. This is what the back of it looks like. Very, very cute. I have not seen one this different. I have seen a couple like this where they're just different patterns everywhere, but not one that had so many different patterns going on. So I love this one. It feels soft. It feels medium thick as well. So perfect for the winter time right now. So next up are these mom jeans in this gray color that does have some distressing all over the jean. The only thing is this one is a little bit big for me. The back of it is just a little bit too big. It's giving me that gap, so I definitely should have sized down in this one. So if you are between sizes, go with the smaller size. It's so cute though. Like the denim feels nice. Like it feels like a nice medium thick denim. It does have pockets in the back as well. It is a zipper and button closure. It does have belt hoops as well, and it does come in a bunch of different washes. It's so cute, and it's definitely something I would wear a ton in the springtime because of all of the ripped detailing. So I really like this one. I think it's affordable. I think it's a pretty good mom jean for the price as well, and it comes in a bunch of different washes like I mentioned, so get your hands on one of these. The very last item I have to show you guys is this ruched faux leather legging that has ruching in the front, the back, and it has a bunch of ruching down at the bottom as well. These are so flattering because of all of the ruching. It is definitely stretchy. The inside material is different from the outside, so this part is definitely smooth. It's not the same like faux leather material and detail. These are high-waisted. They fit really nicely. You probably could size down if you want a really tight fit. I didn't see anything through them. I think they're so flattering, and they will go well with so many different tops. Like this shade of brown is pretty universal. This color to me is like black, white, and like nude. Like you can pretty much get away with wearing it with anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little Shein haul. Again, thank you to Shein for collaborating with me on another video. I love working with them, and also don't forget to use this coupon code. Also, don't forget everything is listed down below. Like and subscribe, pretty please. Stay safe, you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!